Hello everyone, this is the table. So we have it at the lowest setting first. To unlock it, you press the up and down arrow. That unlocks it. So we already did the preset, so this is going to show you guys at the high. So here we go. So you guys can see how high this goes up. You can set custom presets. You can see this one goes up very high. Now to get an idea, let's go back here and show you me standing against it. So, as you can see, you can lift it up super high, super low, and you got these presets. So we go ahead, we can press our other preset and let it go back down to whatever we pick. So overall, it's a nice desk. Couple imperfections when it came, but for the most part, very nice, easy to install, just an overwhelming nice setup.